Thank you for checking out this how-to video for the IV study. My name is Louis. I'm one of the study coordinators here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to collect your home test kit. First thing, you're going to need your home test kit, and you're going to need a pen. Find somewhere to work. You want a surface that's stable, clean, and dry. Go ahead and grab your kit and pull out the 4 things that are inside. First, your sample collection sheet, your return envelope, your actual home test kit, and your list of instructions. First thing you do, go ahead and write down today's date on the sample collection sheet. Okay, so now you can go ahead and open up your home test kit and lay out the items inside. That's going to include the test kit itself in this silver envelope, the little packet here, which has your lancets, which are these 2 small box-like items. I'm just gonna open something, shut them out. 2 Band-Aids, 2 lancets, should have not 1, but 2 alcohol prep pads here. And we're actually gonna open up our test kit. So go ahead and open that up and take your test kit out and lay it there to one side. Okay, so everything is now laid out and we're almost ready to go. We're going to do 2 more things before we actually get started. 1, we're going to label our sample, and 2, we're going to prepare our hand. So to label the sample, it's going to be collected in here. Go ahead and flip your HemaSpot over. Look at the study ID listed on your sample collection sheet and copy that onto the back of your HemaSpot kit so it matches what's on your sample collection sheet. Okay, in the second step, we're actually going to prepare our hand. So we're gonna go ahead and wash our hands and come right back. When you wash your hands, make sure you use warm water if possible. Warm water will increase the blood flow to your fingers. Next thing, we're gonna open up our sterile gauze, and then we're also going to just crack open this Band-Aid so we have it ready to go. Rub your fingers together for about 20 seconds or so. And then once you're almost done rubbing your fingers, go ahead and shake your hands towards the floor. For the hand that you're going to use for your collection, select your non-dominant hand. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to select my left hand. And then you either want to go with your middle finger or your ring finger.
Open up your alcohol prep pad and remove the alcohol swab. Select the ring or middle finger of your non-dominant hand.
Fully sterilize all surfaces of the fingertip. Allow that to dry. Remove the cap on your lancet. Select the edge of the finger. Lay the lancet against it and then firmly press until I hear a click. You can see there's a small red drop. Grab your gauze. Use that to wipe away the first drop of blood.
While keeping your arm extended and your hand below your heart. Apply pressure just above the puncture and massage the finger from the base to the tip to move the blood down the finger towards the end. Blood will collect at the end of the finger into a droplet. Allow the droplets to fall in the center of the device. The droplets may take a moment to absorb. The blood will start to spread outward towards the edges of the circle. Add 3 drops of blood, or enough until the blood has spread to the edges of this circle.
Place a Band-Aid on your finger.
Now, allow it to dry for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, go ahead and close your HemaSpot device, pressing firmly on the back. Double check the front to make sure it has your study ID, then grab your pre-labeled return envelope and place the HemaSpot device inside. Don't forget to also add your samples collection sheet that has the date the sample was collected as well as your study ID. Place both within the envelope. Remove the adhesive and seal your envelope. Drop your collected sample at the nearest USPS drop box or at a United States Postal Service post office.
Thank you for watching this how-to video. If you have any questions or you would like assistance, call the number on the screen.